Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by selecting a focused niche and picking 1 to 3 subreddits that match your offer. Spend a few days contributing. Answer questions, upvote relevant content, and leave 5 to 10 helpful comments to establish credibility. Once done, draft your first soft affiliate post that leads with value, an honest review, a how-to, or a resource list, and make sure to disclose affiliate clearly, because transparency both follows rules and builds trust. Now focus on execution. Write posts with a strong hook, useful takeaways, and a clear call to action. Include the disclosure within the first 2 paragraphs. Use formatted lists, images, and concise timestamps to improve readability and retention because readers skim. Once published, engage promptly. Reply to all top comments, answer questions, and adapt your tone to the community. Make sure to track upvotes, comments, and click-throughs so you can iterate weekly and scale what actually converts. To finish, scale carefully. Cross-post responsibly, rotate affiliate offers, and replicate top-performing formats across similar communities. Continue /B testing headlines, calls to action, and landing pages to improve conversion rates and maximize ROI. If a post is removed or you receive warnings, do not argue. Appeal politely if appropriate, then edit the content to comply with subreddit rules or move to a different community. One troubleshooting tip: when flagged, always remove links temporarily, address moderator concerns, and reintroduce with disclosure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.